What you got there?
Got a turkey. I got 2 turkey calls.
They look kind of girly.
They're moms.
Huh?
They're moms.
Moms?
Yeah.
Oh, so they're turkey calls for girls.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Girls can turkey hunt too?
Yeah.
All right. You gonna use those tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right. So you're using the girl turkey calls.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess that's what we're gonna do then. Okay. Put that, listen. You see this that orange circle on the turkey?
Yeah.
That's how you. It's right below the head, just like right under his chin. That's where you want to put that red dot. Okay. Okay. Run up there. Start counting. Okay.
Not in the green.
Huh? No, just in the orange, honey. Huh? 22. All right. Bring that rascal over here. Bring it. Take that paper off.
Can I keep this?
Probably. All right. Hold that up here. Stand right over here. Back up. Stand right over here.
Where?
No, right over here. There you go. Right in there. Hold that up there. Huh? Tell us all about it.
Well, when I shot it, it would only take 1 to kill it.
Uh-huh.
And you saw me count it. It was 22. So.
22.
Yeah.
22 little pellets?
Yeah.
No way.
Mhm.
Hold them up here. Let me see. Huh?
Got my hunting clothes ready to go.
Do what?
Got my hunting clothes and I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Do it on his head. Or we stick his head up. Tell me when you're ready. What? Remember the red hand. See it? Shoot him. Right, right, right. You got him, you got him, you got him, you got him, you got him. Excellent, excellent. How about that? Smoked you a turkey, smoked you a turkey. All right.
Let's go get him.
Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Get your gun on safety. P-Bug got her a turkey. Oh, I'm proud of you, honey. I'm proud of you. Excellent, excellent. Peyton got her a turkey.
Was he a big one?
He's a big one. He's a big one.
Was he that one that kept on coming?
Huh? That's him. That's him. Oh, let's go get him. Go get him, go get him. Go get him. Pick him up. Pick him up. Oh, get him by the feet. Pick him up. 2 hands. All right, look at that. Woo! Super cool. That is cool. There you go. Man, he didn't even move, did he?
No, he didn't. What time is it?
Walk out with you, huh? Got him?
They put these in the dress. The truck's still in there.
Okay, lift your turkey up there, put him in there. Hold him by the feet.
You get him? There you go. All right.
His head's sticking out.
Huh?
His head's sticking out.
Yeah, better get his head in there.